Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Miss Nene, and today I am redoing this canvas. This is from a previous pour. This is from the glow-in-the-dark paints that did not turn out right. If you saw the video previously to this one, you'll see that I hated the results. I had a really bad day, and I did an open cup pour that failed miserably because I didn't use enough paint. That was my fault. It was crazy. It just turned out horribly. But besides my own personal mistake, I didn't like the way the paint dried, and I wasn't really that impressed with the glowing. I mean, the glowing was good. The glowing was okay. I just didn't like the way it dried at the end. That was my major problem too. The problems that I don't have control over, which is how it dries. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm giving it another shot, and hopefully this one turns out better than the first two. So I will see you at the end. I will be showing you the close-up again, of course, and it glowing, and the final fully dry results. So I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks for joining me again, guys. Be right back. Okay, guys, so here it is. Um, the colors are so vibrant, and the um, the green is the brightest. It almost looks like it's glowing right now. So I would have to say, with all these, with the glow-in-the-dark colors, the green to me is the most vibrant, and I actually like the design too. So yeah, I really like the way this looks, the colors, the design, and everything. So here is this painting in the dark, still wet, but I took it under the light and put it in the dark room, and look at this. Now, again, like I said, the green is the most vibrant. You can see a little bit of the blue, but the other colors, the orange and the violet, is just not there. They just don't glow, and that's disappointing. But the green is definitely the star of the show. The green glows beautifully, so I really love that part. But very sad that once again, this painting just did not work. The design looks different. There's completely dark in the center, and I had colors in the center. And so it just looks like it just looks, bleh. It doesn't look like anything. But I am very happy with the green part of it. So here it is dry. And see, to me, it's dull, except for the center, of course, the green. You can see the violet and the orange, the colors that did not glow, but they're supposed to glow. And the green is still very vibrant. I probably won't use these colors again. Maybe just the green, because the green is the best. It works the best. But this is it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the description for the contest instructions, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.